today?
We are at the train show.
We are. That's right.
52nd?
It's one of those.
Yeah.
It's one of the longest running.
2023 AMRA Train Show.
That's right. And so this is the Victorian, largest in Victoria, I would say.
Yep.
Train show, model train shows, and we've caught the Tait train. This came from Flinders Street Station, and it's dropped us off at the showground.
And how fun was that? That was really cool. I don't think I've ever been on one. And it was actually much more comfortable than I thought.
Really well done. So they lost this. So Steam Rail Victoria restored it, and we've done an awesome job with it. So I guess next
Train show?
That's right. And I think it's over there somewhere.
Let's go now.
So let's go.
Let's go check it out. Well, here we are at the 51st AMRA Model Rail Expo, aren't we?
Oh yes, we certainly are.
What's been your favourite exhibition?
I think my favourite one so far has got to be the Farquhar layout.
The Farquhar layout?
As a fan of Thomas the Tank Engine, it's good.
Have you seen that layout before?
No, it's this first time I've seen it. I'm also quite impartial to the Newport workshops rebuilt in Lego.
In Lego?
Yeah.
I don't know that I saw that one.
You did?
And have you seen any new product or anything that you didn't know existed in rail?
Yes, I've seen quite a few new trains coming out in various scales.
Isn't it cool? Yeah. Well, you can see the action here is really popular. There's hundreds of thousands of people everywhere, and it's really good to be part of it. So, thank you for joining us, and yeah, it's Hearns Hobbies.